Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today will be another DIY video where I bring you 4 small on the budget DIY for fall that you can decorate your home, and I think it's gonna be really nice and cute, so let's get to it. Okay, so for this project we'll use a Dollar Tree plate. I got some Dollar Tree decorative pumpkins, and these things are fall off from my flowers that I bought at the Dollar Tree, so I'm gonna use them. Also, I got some more pumpkins. It depends how much I want on the plate. And I will be using the maple leaves to glue it to my plate and kind of make it my decoration. Okay, so for this project you will need a mason jar, a bag of maple leaves from Dollar Tree, a glue gun, and a tea light, and some decorated. You can decorate with a jute or anything you like. And that is all for this project. Okay, I tried the same design with the Mod Podge, and it was total fail, almost total fail, unless you like it sticking out and it's coming off. So Mod Podge didn't work for me, so I don't know guys. Hot glue, yay, it did it exactly what I wanted. Little cute candle holder. So okay, so for this project I used some toilet paper that I purchased at the Dollar Tree. That was a set of 4. Then I had some of the samples of a cloth. They are from Walmart, but they were all 97 cents. And I used some jute to create a little pumpkin holder and a couple of maple leaves from a Dollar Tree. Okay, for this one, we'll need one of these buckets from the Dollar Tree. Then a couple of toilet papers from the Dollar Tree. I have showed you in a prior one that I bought one pack and then it had sets of 4. So I'm gonna use 2. Then this plastic styrofoam, I guess, pumpkin. And this one, they are not from Dollar Tree, they are from Walmart, but they are 97 cents a roll. It's like a sample, I guess, material. So I decided to include it because it's around $8. So, and then for the decorations, we'll need a little bit of reindeer moss. And I think that's pretty much it for now. And probably some jute. that was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a like and consider subscribing. If you're one of my returning, thank you so much for coming back. I love you guys very much, and I will see you in the next video real soon. Bye for now.